Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change color of our talkback's focus indicator in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our talkback options and how to change our colors. We need to go to settings. Then we are looking for accessibility options. Here next talkback, and here we have settings and customize focus indicator right here. So by default we have blue one. Let's see how does it look like.
Talkback on. Customize focus indicator. Blue. Checked and list 8 items. Double
Now
tap
it's
to
blue.
activate.
Yes. To change this color, for example, I don't know, for orange.
Orange. Check. Yellow. Blue not checked. 7. Navigation bar. Talkback off.
And now we have our orange indicator, as you've seen a moment ago. So, okay, that's all. No need to save, back out, that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.